What is up, RC enthusiasts? Check it out. We have another HBX in house. This time we have a desert truck. Let's check this guy out. Check it out, guys. It's a good looking truck. Now this truck right here claims to have ball bearings all around, which I think it does. And also this is a newer version right here, and this one has 3 differentials. So it has a front, center, and rear diff, and they're all open diffs right there. So I'll show you a picture of those right here, because you know me, I like to take it apart to make sure that these parts that they say are in there are really in there. So there you go. That's the diffs for you right there. And you know, everything's metal in here. The drive shafts are metal, and the whole driveline is pretty beefy, so I'm expecting this to handle upgrades pretty well. And also included with this, guys, you got 2 batteries included right there, 1600 mAh batteries, a charger, spare body clips, a hex wrench for your wheels, and a screwdriver. Alright guys, let's go ahead and take this guy out for a speed run and a bash. But before we get going, I'm pretty sure you guys can tell there's a difference right here. You can tell I robbed the shocks from my Hosim 10 scale RC truck, all 6 of them, and I turned the rear one in just a damper. But it fits on here and everything, so that's pretty cool. So now it has oil-filled shocks, because this one comes with these shocks right here. These were the shocks you saw on them. They're just friction shocks. If you put oil in here, it's just gonna come out. There's no O-rings in there, so yeah. It's either you're gonna have this bouncy. If you guys want to see how it performs with this, check out my other HBX run that I just did recently. I'll put a link up here to that video. And that RC truck has these exact same shocks in it, so it's gonna perform just like that. So you guys know I like my HBX stuff, so I want to show you guys how well this thing performs with just a minor upgrade like this. And these shocks can be bought on Amazon for less than $35 for all 6 of them. So if you did want to do this upgrade, it's possible. That's why I did it, to show you guys how much better these things are just with minor little upgrades like this. So yeah, let's go ahead and put the speed meter on here. Let's see what it gives us. And after that, let's take it out for a bash on the dirt. One more thing before I start this video, so you can see the front headlights still work, but my light bar doesn't work on mine because, yeah, I actually took that plug and tried to see if I could plug it in directly to the ESC receiver in there, because there's another port in there. So don't do that if you guys want to try that, because I did blow that light bar up. So it did work. That is my fault. I don't blame HBX for that. But yeah, just a warning. Don't plug that in anywhere else other than that other connection where it's supposed to be plugged into. That's wired up to these lights right here. Alright, it's zeroed out. Let's see what we get for speed for this guy. Good brakes as well. Oh, there you go. 29 miles an hour. Pretty good for a brushed version RC car right here. 4-wheel drive. Let's get this thing on the dirt. Alright, let's check this guy out. See what it can do. Now it's so smooth, it doesn't look fast, but man, as soon as you can tell right here, with the oil-filled shocks, yeah, no bouncy. Ooh, jumps nice. Tracks well. This model has 3 diffs, by the way, so they're both, I mean, all 3 of them are all open diffs. But let's go see the distance we get. Ooh, that's a big rock I hit. Wasn't paying attention. Let's see the distance we get with this guy. Still going. You can barely see it. Still going. Yeah, it's still going. Well, there you go. It's pretty far. I mean, you really can't really see it that well anymore, so can't really control it from there. Full speed. It is so quiet. It doesn't even seem like it's going fast. Yeah, boy. Oh. Nice. Well, let's take it to the back just like I do the rest. And this thing has the speed switch as well, so you can make it slower if you want. You can tell it's all the way up. And then you got your steering trim to the left of that, and your steering reversing just in case you change the servo and it's reversed. Yeah. Well, there you go, guys. What do I think of this little beast? Man, it's quiet. HBX. It's probably reliable. And this one's got that triple diff. I'm not sure if I already showed that to you guys in the beginning, but yeah, 3 diffs in there. Pretty cool. And yeah, it's a little ripper, guys. Take my abuse so far, and I've just been full throttling it everywhere. And through the jump right here. Woo! Well, there you go, guys. Thanks for watching as usual. And I can recommend this one. It's a super cool little guy. As you can tell, taking all my abuse. Nothing's broken. Everything's good. Ready to go for more bash action. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And as always, be safe out there and have fun. And go run that RC.